once you reach this stage here, you see the table, you touch the pencil on the upper left, and then you touch the plus on the bottom left. Okay, and then you touch the image of the icon for photo here on the horizontal thing, where is the sunset behind the pyramid. It looks like it. You touch that, and then you can choose to go to your Fotomediathek, which is your photo library. And then it opens your photo library. I can choose a photo. I will choose the one of my friend Anna and myself. And you can choose the picture size. I picked Klein, which is small. Or let's do medium. And then I touch the arrow back to Alle Fotos. And then I touch Fertig on the upper right, which is finished. Okay. So now the image is on the board. You can I think with 2 fingers you can turn it like this, and you can press place image, and it should be placed. Oh wow, yeah, exactly. So this is how I placed the first image, and theoretically you should be able to add other images like that.